The problem with an uncovered trailer is that it catches leaves and other bits and pieces, sits in the bottom of the pan, and this causes corrosion and rust. So what we need to do is cover this trailer over with a tarp. Okay, tarps can be expensive, but if you use a simple method like I'm showing today, it's cheaper than buying one from the wholesaler. Parts you need is listed in front of you there. Simply get it from your local hardware store. Two of the lengths of PVC were 3 meters long, so what I did was cut a meter off them, and this allowed me to fit them into the car. Other parts can fit into your car anyway, like the piping, curves, the tarp, zip ties. So the total cost would be as follows for this tarp. Basically $186.28. The construction is for a 7x4 trailer. The measurements provided here are for that size trailer. For a different size trailer, it's a matter of cutting the piping for different lengths and according to your trailer width and size. Where the 4 upright post holders are fitted against the trailer frame wire, I've notched out the pipe so they can fit against that frame wire. What I did was measure the distance between the 2 upright pipe holders, and that way I know what distance I can make the 2 support pipes. Gluing the PVC pipe joints, make sure any glue the elbow joints and the T on the sides. Leave the support pipe in the middle unglued. Making your own pins. Well, I use some fencing wire pin and cut it in pieces. You'll see this saves cost. Make sure you put the chain onto the pin that you get enough movement to allow the pin to slide through the piping. To the pipe, make sure the screw sits down below the recess. Alternatively, you can buy these pins from hardware stores. Probably easier to use and more professional looking. Easy to remove and replace them, as I show you in this video. I emphasise, do not glue that support pipe across. That's where the pins are held in the piping. All other points are glued. As you see, the pin just holds that pipe on. Easy for us to disassemble that way. You can see it will pull apart and it will fit against the trailer. Marking the holes where the pins fit to hold the upright posts, make sure they're all the same level. In this case I've made 2 adjustments so I can use the support low and high. This is the low position, and there's the higher position. Removing the piping from the whole rod is easy to disassemble. Once it's disassembled, you can hold the pipes against the wire frame as you've seen here. We're using the pins for storage purposes. Easy to transport. While fitting the tarp, remember fold both sides in and roll the tarp and place on top as so. This makes it easy to place the tarp over the top of the trailer. open the flaps up to the side, and you've got the top pretty well centered over the trailer. The grommets are positioned near the wire, and one method is to use zip ties to fasten security to that frame. What that means is when you roll the tarp up, you've got it completely inside the trailer all the time, and you never lose the tarp. I just use simple zip ties and use a bungee cord to show how you can hold the sides down. An improved method how to use that tie would be to purchase some bungee cord from the hardware. It's only extra cost of $26.50. In this case I had to buy 4 pinnacles because there weren't any place where I could tie the bungee cords to the front and rear of the trailer. The 4 pinnacles I fastened to the front and rear of the trailer in this manner. They're galvanised just like the trailer itself. Of those 4 pinnacles provide an excellent anchoring point for the trailer bungee cords front and rear. So the total cost including the bungee cord is $112.78. Hope you found this helpful. If you like, hit the subscribe and like button. Thank you.